Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's new video we're going to be learning about probability. In this video we'll be discussing the probability of event, real life applications of probability and example questions related to this topic. So let's move on without further ado. What is probability? Probability means possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. The value is expressed from 0 to 1. This means that the probability can either be expressed from 0 or 1, depending on the event of its occurrence. Probability has been introduced in maths to predict how likely events are to happen. The meaning of probability is basically the extent to which something is likely to happen. So if you can observe this image carefully, you can see that this shows the probability scale from impossible to certain. So it starts from all the way to impossible, then unlikely, then even chance, and then likely, and then we have certain. Probability of an event. The probability of an event occurring intuitively understood to be the likelihood or chance of it occurring. The probability of a particular event A occurring from an experiment is obtained from the number of ways that A can occur divided by the number of total possible outcomes. That means it can be expressed as the number of favorable outcomes, that means the ones which you are supposed to get, divided by the total number of outcomes, which somehow gives you a fractional answer. Now you can see this detailed probability scale in which it starts from 0 all the way to 1. 0 is of course impossible and there is no chance. That means it won't happen at all. Then you have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 which all come in the unlikely scale. That means a very improbable 25% chance. And then you have 0.5 which is 50% even chance, 50-50, it may or may not happen. Then you got a likely chances, 75% probable. And then you have 100% or 1 which is certain, it will happen, no doubt. Real life applications of probability. Now of course we use probability not only in maths but in our real life as well, such as forecasting the weather. Of course we have to forecast the weather in order to know what is the chance of rain or what is the chance of a thunderstorm, so that we can plan an outing. Sports outcomes are also another real life application of probability. It shows us that what will be the score. Maybe for example a football game, whether there'll be a chance for team A to outplay team B or vice versa. Then there are games of chance. Games of chance such as dice games or card games also have probability in that. Let's move to some example questions so that we will be able to understand the concept more clearly. Question 1 says, there are 6 pillows in a bed. 3 are red, 2 are yellow, and 1 is blue. What is the probability of picking a yellow pillow? Now let's observe this question properly. 6 pillows in a bed, that means that is the total number of outcomes. 3 are red, 2 are yellow, and 1 is blue. So now it's asking us how probable is it to pick a yellow pillow. That means 2 yellow, so that means we have to make it as a fraction. So we know that there are 2 yellow and the total number of outcomes is 6. So that means the answer will be 2 by 6. But this can be further simplified. So if I simplify this further, I can get 2 into 1 and 2 into 3. And then I cut these and then I get the answer as 1 by 3. So that is the probability of picking a yellow pillow. Let's move on to the next question. Find the probability of getting 3 on rolling a die. A die is a dice which has 6 outcomes from 1 to 6. Now what is the probability of getting 3? Since 3 comes only once in a die, that means the answer will be 1 by 6. Actually, it's not only from getting number 3, whether it's 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, it will be the same 1 by 6. That means there is an equal chance of getting any one number on the die. That means it's a 50% chance that you're going to get any of the numbers on the die. Alright guys, it's time for the challenge question. If you guys want to go ahead and try this, you can pause the video, go ahead and let me know the answer in the comment section below. A vessel contains 4 blue balls, 5 red balls and 11 white balls. If 3 balls are drawn from the vessel at random, what is the probability that the first ball is red, the second ball is blue and the third ball is white? Okay, so first we have to find out the total number of balls in the vessel. 4 plus 5 plus 11 is equal to 20. So that means there are 20 total balls in the vessel. Now it's asking if 3 balls are drawn from the vessel at random. That means 3, it could be either blue, red or white. But it's saying what is the probability that the first ball is red, the second ball is blue and the third ball is white. Let's first write the numbers. So total outcomes is 20 balls. So that means these are the total outcomes, 20 balls. And it's asking us that if 3 balls are drawn from the vessel at random. So what is the probability that the first ball is red, the second ball is blue and the third ball is white? So we have to answer this question part by part. So let's start with the first one. The first ball is red. So now red is how many? 5. So we can say that 5 out of 20, this is the probability for red balls. So 5 by 20, and if I further simplify it, I can get 1 by 4. So this is the probability that the first ball is red. Now moving on to the next one. The second ball is blue. So how many blue balls are there? 4. 4 by 20. Again, simplify it and we get 1 by 5. And the last one. And the third ball is white. Yeah, the last one. How many white balls? 11. So 11 by 20. And there you have it. This is the answer. That means the probability that the first ball is red will be 1 by 4, second ball is blue will be 1 by 5, and third ball is white will be 11 by 20. And yes, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, do consider leaving a like and comment down below if you have any doubts regarding to this topic. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe right now, and do check out my previous videos in the left and right. You can click any one of them to continue watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.